Hi everyone, hope you're well. This is CoinsKid, just going to dive into Vechain. Once again, thank you for your continued support, especially on these Vechain videos, okay? The comments, the likes, the sharing, the caring, everything you do. All those comments that you lot have been putting on them videos, wow, amazing. Really, really good, really golden, okay? Really, really pleasurable to read those comments. Thank you very much for your support. Really, really good. Honestly, really good. It keeps me going. So basically, right now on Vechain, it looks bad. It was kind of consolidating a little bit here, but we are perfectly healthily retracing off this impulsive wave, and we're holding a key level of support, which is really important. I do need to bring you to your attention though, if you do continue to sort of come down a little bit, you will form a bearish cross on the 4-hourly time frame here, and we need to prevent that, okay? So we need this candle to get bought up basically and bounce here and form this EMA retest right here. So I will zoom in to show you exactly what I mean. So right there you can see Vechain form the bullish cross, okay? And then when you get the bullish cross, you want to backtest and hold its support because it keeps you in an uptrend. And if you hold support of the yellow line, which is 20, it keeps marching you up, and it forces you up to test resistance basically. But when you start to lose that and you start to hit your head on it as resistance, it's confirmation that you're being forced down basically, and you're starting to close below it. Like you can see here, the candles are closing below this particular level of resistance. It's basically a bit of a precursor that you're going down. You're basically forcing you down, and we don't want that because we can't afford to lose this level here. We start to lose this level here, right down there at 0.78893333. Then you're looking at a reversal wave, not a corrective wave, potentially coming down, forming a triple bottom just here, which again is not very negative, but it just means more of a level of consolidation right here for Vechain, forming something like that, okay? It can be a good reversal pattern, but we've done all this hard work of reversing and marching on and making these high lows right here and these high highs. So we're basically looking at a bit of a trend reversal, and basically hopefully, you know, we're not going to get that deep C wave pullback, and this is the C wave pullback that we've gone through already. I've seen a lot of people saying that we've already gone through the ABC correction, which would be good. I hope we have, because obviously, you know, we've got the third wave up, the fourth wave pullback before the fifth wave continuation up to that price prediction there of $1.50. And I've seen people saying that this is A, that's B, and that's C. That would be golden, okay? In my opinion, that would be golden. I'd love to think that that was that, because now, yeah, you're looking at continuation and you're looking at progress. So you always got to have everything on the cards, on the table, and always have your glasses on to every single possibility, okay? So if that is the ABC correction done with, and we've come down there and that's our low, then we're marching on, brilliant. But that will all be invalidated if we start to fall out of this particular level here and lose the golden ratio and start to reverse and form this reversal wave. Then you're looking at that potential level of consolidation and then the A, B, C correction on the larger grand scheme of things. So right now it is critical, basically. It is critical that we do hold this key level of support. It's got a bit flat. It's got a bit boring. I've seen a lot of people getting frustrated, but that is how crypto goes, I'm afraid. Unfortunately, it does get a little bit like that. So right now, what is Vechain doing? It's basically breaking down a little bit. It's rolling over. As long as it holds these key level support like that one, like I said to you, then do anticipate that you could still get the bounce there and for continuation, because this is just called a retracement wave, and you are holding support. Look, you've come up in an impulsive wave here and you're retracing. You're retracing, holding support beautifully for continuation, because if you do continue, just like I've said in yesterday's video, then you could be looking at a lovely little trade there for Vechain off this bottom just there, pushing up to that 25-cent mark just there. So that could be a nice little pump there for Vechain. If it starts to sort of march on from here, gets a bit of support, then you could be looking at a lovely 28% pump for Vechain, and I would imagine that would bring a lot of confidence. But again, it would still be a low high, but we've already gone through all that. To invalidate the larger ABC correction, you've got to take out that particular level there, okay, to invalidate that. And then that would be good. That would be good, because hopefully whoever posted that A, B, C correction is done, okay, that would be great, because from there you start marching on, forming a fourth wave, taking out this high and marching on to them highs up there at $1.50 and that fourth wave there towards the end of the bull run. But I want to make you aware is that anything can happen, obviously, you know that. So last night there was a buy the hype, sell the news event with Bitcoin, and that created a bit of a large body of volume there, that big sell-off, because Vechain was doing well. It was doing well. It was hanging on to support of the EMAs, okay, and then it bounced off, and then there was Bitcoin being bought by Facebook, so people just bought the hype, and then when the news came out they didn't, they sold the news. And that's a buy the hype, sell the news event right there. And it has affected the sort of progress of a lot of cryptos there, and Vechain especially. So what I'm saying to is, as long as you do start seeing Vechain holding support and holding this particular trend line that it finds itself in, making these high lows, okay, and making these high highs, then you're looking at a lovely more upside for Vechain, attacking that high to invalidate the ABC right there. So what I'm going to do is give you a couple of trades then. Obviously, at all times I will do that. So if you do start to see Vechain get above this level now and start to march on, if you do start to see it break 022, then definitely look at a nice little long position there, because again, you want to trade confirmation. So a lovely little trade there of around 12% for Vechain from that high break. Okay, then if you start to see it lose this particular level there, start to see it close below 0.7, which is a golden ratio on the retracement now. I'll just bring that up so I can explain it to you. So if you do start to see Vechain lose that particular level of this retracement that it's going through, then do target a little short from that golden ratio, because it means it's lost the retracement, it's become a bit of a reversal wave. So you could look at a lovely little short opportunity there of around 12% down to retest base and basically create a bit of a triple bottom there for Vechain. So yeah, do keep an eye on it. Hopefully we get some support now and start getting bought back up and get through these EMAs, because that's what you want to see. Okay, just like I've said to you, you want to see yourself above the EMAs for continuation. If you're not above the EMAs, you're going down. If you're below them, you're going down. If you're above them, you're going up. And it is as simple as that. So yeah, stay strong, stay safe, and most importantly, stay tuned. And once again, thank you for all the really nice comments and the feedback, and you taking the time out to actually engage with the video there and the community, and everyone in Telegram and everyone in the Patreon. And also we had a great chat last night again in the Telegram chat there. So it was good. It was golden. It's got a little bit boring, a bit flat, a bit sideways, a bit frustrating, I know, but patience is key, I'm afraid. I know a lot of people are sort of stuck in Vechain and are looking at likes of Bake and Cake and BNB and Ethereum and stuff like that, and thinking, oh, I should jump ship. Trust me, I've made that mistake before, and it's honestly, you could it's like it knows that you've sold. You'll jump out of a project into one that's mooning, and it's like, yeah, he's done it, right, pump it. Like, no, you've missed out. And that's basically just sit on your hands, throw your phone in the bin, buy and go to the beach, so to speak. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.